Welcome back, Rejuvy Juice subscribers. We have a delicious oatmeal smoothie for your start to your wonderful day. We have sprouted oats, almond milk, maple syrup, vanilla, chia seeds, flax seeds, and we have a grass-fed enhanced collagen powder. You can use protein powder if you do not like oatmeal. So we're going to assemble our smoothie. And we're going to use our Ninja to blend it. So we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of oats. We're going to add our 3 dates. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. One tablespoon of flax seeds. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And 1 tablespoon vanilla. And we already have ice cubes at the bottom, so you can add about 3 or 4. And next we're going to add our collagen. And last, we're going to add our almond milk. We're going to add about a cup. And then we're going to blend it up. Now we're just going to blend. And you can remove it, and you have the delicious oatmeal smoothie on the go for breakfast. Oh shit, that's awesome. And that's how you can start your day, and it'll keep you full, satisfied with antioxidants, free radicals in there from the flax seeds and the chia seeds to give you energy. So you'll have energy all throughout the morning. Enjoy.